everyone, this is Rainbow back again with more Slime Rancher. Alright, so where we left off last time was we finally got the phosphorus slimes, and we were trying to get that area along. We're like 400 away? Holy, all the chickens. Okay. Whee! Okay, go get carrots, bring them, feed, and we're good. And we should have some over there too. So, yeah, I'm gonna go this way first. Get these. Oh, I think there's like another tiny one. This kid knows I like cats. This is so cute. This is so cute. There too. That's not fair. Okay, so go back. I'm gonna go there. Oh, I almost fell out. Not be good. No. And that thing just went bye-bye. Can I not go up there? Those aren't. Over here? Yeah. What is over there? It's all from there. I don't want to go down there. Ooh, heartbeats. Oh, why do you have to do this to me? Okay. Nope, not here. Oh, that's okay, I'm gonna go down. I wanna see. Ooh, another treasure pod. Ooh, this is getting... Yeah! I sneaky! Sneaky! Okay. Ooh. Come back here and I will grab you. And then fix the B. Do I have? I should have enough. Oh. Okay. 2. Wait, or is it 5? Nope, it was 6. We're good. I'll go over there. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick these up first. Ah. Finally get this place on. There's chickens over here already. Ooh, enemies. Carrot. Bacon. Ooh, there's chicken. Ooh, cute. Nice. Oh, that was that portal thingy. Okay, cool. So then... Okay, so that's 5,000. That I'm not going to get for a while. I already know that. Ooh, what's this area? Really? Okay. Ball. Triangle. Use the camera speech to think, to and stare at those distant rings. Ruminate? On who created them. Okay, think of her. Can I get over there? Ooh, booster. No, I need. Who'd you? I need it now. Oh, you get eaten. That was not okay. Sure. Hey, okay, forget it. Thank you! Huh? No! I don't like you, go away! Go over there! There's evil foot! I can't believe he gave that crap up. Damn, Lord. Plort? It's a plort? That's a plort. That was sad. Yeah. Okay. 3 rocks, 10 pink. Okay, 3 rock, 10 pink. 3 rock, 10 pink. I don't want to get rid of any of my babies. Blue, 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 blue. You little. Ah, here you are. Come here. This one. Alright, chickens, I can't save you right now. I'm on a mission. Okay. I need to find a way there's a way to like expand my inventory. Oh, another one. Really? There's some, those are definitely one to check. Let's see who like leaves the gifts and stuff. A lot more berries. That works. Okay. guess I'm 1,000 away. And I should be able to get that. Well, 1,010. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Not a lot more way, but you know what? I think it's worth it. I'm gonna go get more pinks. See something. Ah, no. Alright, I think I'm gonna go and leave this off here. So thank you guys so much for stopping by this. I don't know. Sorry. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I appreciate it. If you want to see more Slime Rancher and some more other videos, I'm hoping to plan soon. Do not forget to hit that follow button. I'm trying to currently make it to my goal of 50 followers. And if that happens, maybe we can do something fun. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.